Friday. The date is the 9th, so it's February 9th. I am just leaving work. It's 5:07 p.m. Yeah, so it's 5:07 p.m. just leaving work. Say hello to my little friend. We've got a nice little friend that decided to pop up a few days ago, and it's been just chilling with us for a little while. But yeah, so I'm just leaving work. I'm gonna head on over to my mom's house. I've got to pick up some oranges from my dad's tree. Well, I don't have to, I just want to. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick that up, and then I have to pick my mail up. Because everything still gets mailed to their house. Because they're never moving. Yeah, so I've got to go pick that up. And then I'm gonna go home. I think Angel and I are gonna go to the gym at 7. That's what we've been doing this week. Going to the gym around 7 every night and just getting a nice workout in. And just gotta do some laundry, really. Basically just rambled for like 2 minutes about nothing. Cool. So tomorrow, we're gonna go hiking again. We're gonna make that like a little, my head like hurts really, really bad right now, and I can't even think. But yeah, we're gonna go hiking tomorrow. We're gonna make that like an every weekend thing. And then I invited his parents over for dinner, so that'll be fun. I haven't seen them in a little bit, so it'll be good to see them. But yeah, we don't really have much going on this weekend, so I don't know how exciting this vlog is gonna be. But yeah, I'll still take you guys along and show you guys what I do this weekend. Oh, you just licked my tooth, bro. You just licked my tooth. Dinky! Hey! Hi! 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 Hi, Samuel! Hi! Hey, look! Hi! 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 Say good morning. Oh.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
I just hit myself against that wall.
What?
I just hit myself against that wall.
Why?
Because I wasn't paying attention.
You do that.
So we're going for a hike. What time is it? Oh, I don't have my watch on, so I can't count my steps.
You fucking not at 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock.
You fucking duck.
There's ducks. There's baby ducks. Yeah, so it's 9 o'clock. We're going hiking. And the reason I'm being like extra as fuck with these glasses.
Give you a little attention, or?
No, look at my eye right now. You can't even see it on film.
No.
Look at.
I think you're overreacting, huh?
Bro, no, it hurts. I just caught those. Yeah, my eye is swollen because he's abusive. And he hit me last night.
Don't talk back. You get fucked up.
Totally kidding. He did not hit me. I don't know what happened to my eye. It started hurting yesterday. It was like burning. And then...
See, I think you can go through that bike trail and then go up that way too, but I'm not sure.
How do you get on that trail though? I don't think you can because I think it's locked.
Maybe.
But yeah, so we found this new hiking. Well, it's not really new. We just never knew where the start of it was at. And like a week ago, we figured it out. So yeah, we thought we'd give it a try. We came from there. Now we're going up there.
Curve around. I want to try to go up to the top of that because I didn't do that last time.
You said that it's not that bad though?
No, it's not. You could. It just looks scary because we're far away.
Yeah.
But it's not that much.
Not as bad as what that was?
No. This curves around and goes down. It's not far. It just goes up that, and then you can do the curve around if you don't have to go up that one. I just want to go up the top. Look out.
Oh, it goes up at the top?
Yeah.
Have you gone up at the top yet? Like that? Straight up?
Not that one. The other side, yeah.
What does that do?
I think this side is...
It just goes straight up?
Yeah, I think it's... They meant it like... so people, if they want to go up there and look, they made two trails. One harder, one
easier.
Less harder, I guess.
So it's like you can go up and over or you can go around?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go and levels out and then go down.
I'm down to try this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't know, it just works like it, so I said fuck it. Let's do it.
It's gonna be quick.
Yeah, something like that.
Hey guys! So today is, good morning by the way, it's 11:12. It's Sunday, February 11th. Yesterday I didn't really vlog very much. I vlogged in the morning. Angel and I went hiking. And then I didn't really vlog the rest of the day. We were just kind of doing our own thing and, you know, spending time together. And then we had his parents over for dinner. Yeah, it was a really nice night, but after the hike, we ended up, we came back home. We just hung out for a little bit. And then we went and got a tea from Starbucks. And came back and cleaned. I finished laundry. And that's about it. And then I cooked some dinner. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. Oh, this is my new tattoo. I don't know. I don't think I've showed you guys yet, but I got that 2 weeks ago. I think 2 weeks ago today. Yeah, my best friend Jordan and I got it. Matching tattoos together. But yeah, so that's what we did yesterday. And then today we actually slept in. Angel and I don't usually sleep in, but today we did. We were obviously tired. But my mom called. She was trying to get a hold of me this morning, and I didn't answer. So she called Angel and woke him up at about 9:45 because she had to talk to me. So yeah, I guess they're having some kind of problem with their electricity in the house, so she was like freaking out about it. And yeah, and then I had to call my grandma back because I had a missed call from my grandma, and she actually asked me to go to Bunco with her today. So I don't know if you guys know what Bunco is, but it's kind of like a dice game, and her and a bunch of her friends get together. I think it's like once a month and do this Bunco game, and it's for donations for this Kiwanis Club and all this stuff, and it's actually a lot of fun. I really enjoy playing. So I'm gonna go with her. I was supposed to be at her house around 11:30, but I'm gonna go just a little earlier because I wanted to pick some oranges and spend some time with her before we go, you know? So yeah, that's where I'm going right now. And my mom was supposed to go, but she's not going now because of what's going on with the house. So yeah, and I still have this freaking planet on my face.